It's a Marine morning off of WXJ 57 South Bend.
Yes! Come on! Yes! Ow!
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a special marine warning for near shore and open waters from St. Joseph to Grand Haven, Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles southeast of Kenosha, Wisconsin to near Chicago, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage and high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Haven Light, St. Joseph Light, the Saugatuck Pier Heads, the Holland Light, Port Sheldon, and the Grand Haven Light. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Conditions around the area at 6:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 miles west of Silver Lake State Park to 40 miles west of Muskegon, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour.
Oh, what?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muskegon, Ludington, Hart, Ludington State Park, Shelby, Muskegon Heights, Roosevelt Park, North Muskegon, Whitehall, Montague, Lakewood Club, Ravenna, Scottsville, Fruitport, Hesperia, Petwater, Fountain, Free Soil, Hamlin Lake, Mears State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is your local forecast.
Okay, that's not good.
Wind the cold front approaches.
There it is.
Thunderstorm watch number 506, effective until midnight Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Berry, Kalamazoo, St. Joseph, and Van Buren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Conditions around the area at 7 p.m. At Kalamazoo, light rain was secure outdoor objects. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore. For the
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! SBR! I don't even know what county this is for! What? No!
The National
Where is it?
Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren County in southwestern Michigan, Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, Ottawa County in southwestern Michigan, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles southwest of Muskegon to 20 miles northwest of St. Joseph, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Here.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holland, Grand Haven, Allegan, South Haven, Paw Paw, Hudsonville, Zeeland, Coopersville, Wayland, Otsego, Plainwell, Ferrysburg, Hartford, Spring Lake, Mydalawn, Lawton, Bangor, Decatur,
I just got
Fenville,
jumped by a mosquito.
Saugatuck. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wow.
Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: South Haven to Holland, Michigan. Small craft.
1047. Yes!
Northwestern St. Joseph County, Indiana. Northern LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana. Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 8:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. 8:80
Where's the
p.m.
plug at?
7:01 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were
Located along a line extending
from 9 miles north of Beverly Shores to Lakes of the Four Seasons, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Michigan City, LaPorte, Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Westville, Buchanan, Trail Creek, Benton Heights, Fairplain, Bridgman, New Buffalo, New Carlisle, Berrien Springs, Waterloo, Three Oaks, Coloma, Long Beach, Stevensville, Potawatomi Park, and Sherwood Tower Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 38 and 68. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 33 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time or 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte and St. Joseph, and Berrien, Michigan. Mostly clear. Waves 1 to 3 feet.
That was unexpected.
Thursday, southwinds 5 to 10 knots. Sunny.
Well, Eric, you listed 7.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County in north central Indiana, northeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Marshall County in north central Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, western LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 9:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 7:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Benton Harbor to Wanata, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Michigan City, LaPorte, Niles, Benton Harbor, Plymouth, St. Joseph, Dowagiac, Westville, Buchanan, Georgetown, Granger, Louisville Air Park, Benton Heights, Fairplain, Osceola, Bridgman, Walkerton, and North Liberty. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 40 and 87. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 38 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: South Haven to Holland, Michigan. Small craft advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern.
Shut up.
This evening, gale warning in effect through Wednesday morning. Through early evening, south winds 20 to 25 knots.
Okay, that was an SVR.
Chance of rain showers.